Quick Cut Harvester. Gardening has always been difficult and tedious. Workers, especially when harvesting, usually have to spend a lot of time and effort on it. Of course, people are already used to it, but engineers keep trying to improve our lives. Manual labor is being replaced by automation, even when it comes to small farms that can't afford to buy large and expensive special equipment. The Quick Cut Harvester is an invention designed specifically to harvest herbs. All the farmers who have ever worked with it are happy to talk about its advantages. It was developed thanks to specialists from the American company Farmer's Friend. The rotating brush covered with numerous rope strands optimally tears the herbs at the root and then rakes it into the collection area. Usually it takes 3 people about 2 hours to harvest from one seedbed. Moreover, they are in an uncomfortable position on their knees, which quickly leads to pain throughout the body. The same amount of work is done by Quick Cut Harvester in 40 minutes, with only one person working and not having to kneel down. Thus, the productivity of this device is 80 kilograms of herbs per hour. The device can work at any height, i.e. practically with any greenery grown. The grower claims that this harvester does a better job than a knife. The weight of the device is 4.5 kilograms, and the price is $550.